Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Sunday, so basically today I'll be doing a realistic Sunday vlog. So that's things that I basically do every Sunday. So on typical Sundays, I change my bed sheets, change my bath towels, and clean, cook, do laundry and all that stuff. So that is exactly what I'll be doing today realistically. And it is Easter Sunday, so happy Easter guys. Hope everyone is doing wonderful. So let's jump right into this vlog. Alright guys, I'm gonna start off my vlog in my bedroom. I'm gonna make this video long because I have to cook, I have to clean, I have to wash. So I'm gonna do just a little bits and pieces. So let's make the bed. Alright guys, so I'm done with my bed. I'm gonna do a quick dusting and sweep, and then that's it. So this is what I use to clean my floor. Alright guys, so I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna start cooking. So my peas been soaking from last night. I'm gonna season my meat now. So stay tuned and continue watching the vlog. That was Amazon. So that was Amazon guys. Yeah, on a Sunday. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly season my meat. Should have done this from last night when I was tired. But it's not about how long you season your meat, it's about how good you can cook. So I don't have to season my meat from overnight for it to taste nice. My pork is seasoned and it's pork chop type of thing. Yeah. And I have my garlic and Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright guys, so now that my pork is seasoned, I'm gonna cover it and let it marinate for roughly 1 hour because it's 1 o'clock, so I still have enough time to cook. My peas is almost cooked. I'm gonna season it now. salt. And a little brown sugar, nothing too crazy. Yeah. So just a little sugar like that. Of course, I'm gonna add a Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going in with 1 green Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm gonna let the coconut milk and the seasonings boil, and then I can add my rice. Now I'm gonna start cooking the meat. In with my pork chops. And of course I have to add 2 of my dryer sheets, or 3. Mr. Salmonino, oh God, what is this? Work. Alright, so these are delicate, so I'm gonna wash them by themselves. Guys, I've grown to love Gain cleaning products, and everything we Gain so much because the smell, it is so fresh, it's so nice. I'm gonna make like 1 serving of or 2 serving of mashed potato. guys, I'm done cooking. I done cleaning my room. I have my last set of laundry drying now, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm almost done. I'm tired, but this is my realistic Sunday, guys. I normally get up and start cleaning, start cooking and all those stuff. Didn't have breakfast or anything. Yeah, but that's my typical Sundays. I normally just do what I have to do, cook dinner and then eat. But yeah, guys, continue watching the vlog. I'm almost at the end. So I'm done folding. I'm gonna put these away and then I'm gonna serve dinner. The best part of my Sundays, having dinner with a family, and it's Easter Sunday, so I might go to the ice cream shop if it's open. I know most of the places are closed, but yeah, even though I have ice cream in the freezer, going out for ice cream, it's just a different feeling. So I'm going on the road. I have to go to the liquor store. I'm gonna get wine, champagne, something. If you know me, you know if you know, you know. Yes, so I'm gonna serve dinner. See you in the kitchen. Oh my god, I don't eat doing that right now. Big ice cream cone. Alright guys, so that's it. It's dinner time. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. Thank you all for watching the vlog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload another video. Bye for now.
You are either insanely talented.
You eating?
Portland is a city known for embracing treats showing off its red steakhouse, known for its star appeal and its team stir-friendly landscape.
Alright guys, I'm done cooking, cleaning and laundry, washing dishes and all of that. So I'm going on the road now. It is a nice day. I'm going to get some liquor at the liquor store and ice cream. So let's go. It's a pretty Sunday, nice Sunday. Alright, I'm at Total Wine, Total Wine. I'm gonna get my wine and my champagne. Fresh cream.